Okay friends, it's getting ready to rain, but the woods are calling my name, so let's go on an adventure. Okay, so we're on an adventure. Come a little closer, I got a secret to tell you. Okay, so we're on an adventure. We're going to one of my favorite places in the state park. It's called the Waterfall. You know, some people know about it, some people don't know about it. You kind of got to be in on the thing, you know. Anyway, I think I'm set for an adventure. I got my beret on, I got my adventure vest, and I've got my lucky adventure walking stick. So yeah, let's. Oh, I'm getting stuck in the mud. Do you hear that? Let's see what we can do today. Okay, my friends. This is where the boots come off. Okay, you can see how cold this water is. Watch out for the steps. Ooh, a little bit chilly, but that's okay. Feels so good on the feet though. So pretty here. Maybe you can hear what's coming. It's my favorite spot in this entire park. I mean, I've seen a lot of waterfalls I would consider more impressive than this one, but none of them has that feel of home. None of them has the memories that I have with this particular one. I've made friendships here. I've done things I probably can't even talk about here. But this always brings me back home, this place right here. So I present to you, without further ado, the waterfall. Such as it is. I'm so happy that I got to spend some time here today. You can still hear the waterfall in the background. You might be able to hear the thunder that's fast approaching, and that's why I'm going to skedaddle. I'm going to get out of here just for now. We'll come back here some other time when when the threat of being struck by lightning is less imminent. On a side note, this is my favorite place in the world. If I find out you've been chucking waste in here, I'm probably going to do something less than friendly. So please, let's keep our parks clean, because people like me, we love them, and the more restrictions that get placed on them, the less we can go out and love them. So please respect your parks.
There's our boots.
Oh wow, what a blessing. I just got back. I had a chance meeting with a friend, like one in a million. No way I would have run into him any other day, but somehow he just happened to be here in the state park as I was walking out of my favorite place. And so we walked barefoot in the creek to my favorite spot again. I loved every minute of it, but I got absolutely soaked. I think we both did. It was so fantastic. I don't think I've been soaked in the rain like that and enjoyed it in many, many years. So it's been an eventful day. It's been a beautiful day. I feel incredibly blessed, and I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very much, and we'll see you next time.